Hello children, welcome to our kingdom classification part 2. We have covered some phylums. Now let us go ahead with Annelida today, okay? So these are segmented worms. You will very distinctively see segments on their body. That we'll see later in the picture. See, they have long cylindrical body, okay? Maybe just see the picture. They have long cylindrical body, and you can see lines over there on that body. That is why they are called as segmented. Long cylindrical body segmented with ring-like structures called annuli. Okay, annuli. Yes, they are free living. They can be found in soil and water. Mouth and anus are at extreme ends. They have bristle-like structure, small hairy structures called as setae on underside of bodies that help them to locomote. Okay, examples are leeches and earthworm. So these are the examples. See, diagrammatic and the real picture. So earthworm, segments, cylindrical, long, bristle-like structures called setae on the underside of their body. This is a leech. Leech, for your information, if you know, if you want to know, they have been used by human beings to extract unwanted or impure blood. Actually, they are being used for that by many of the doctors. When a certain part gets damaged and there is all pus cells, so leeches help to extract that kind of a blood from the body. Okay, so these are annelids and these are segmented worms. Next is arthropoda. It makes about 80% of the animal kingdom. 80%, my god. And they can be terrestrial or aquatic. They are all over. Bodies have a hard outer covering or exoskeleton made from a protein called chitin. This is very important from exam point of view. They have exoskeleton, okay, or hard. In case of other cases, they will have a very strong outer covering, which is made up of a protein called chitin. Body is divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. 3 parts. They have jointed legs in pairs or of pairs of 3 or 4 or maybe more, okay, to locomote. They have antennae and compound eyes on their heads. When going by these features itself, you can make out that what all category can fall under this. Examples are going to be honeybees and scorpion. These are just examples. They are many. Remember, 80% belongs to these people cover up in the animal kingdom. So these are just examples. You can see here now what comes under that. Insects will come under that. Arachnids will come under that. Crustaceans like this, lobsters and crabs and everything will come under that. And myriapods like this, ticks will also come under that. Okay, so these are the 4 categories. इसमें काफ़ी सारे टाइप्स होते हैं. लाइक इंसेक्ट्स में एंड्स आएंगे या दूसरे कुछ आएंगे. एरेक्निड्स में दूसरे तरह के स्पाइडर्स. क्रस्टेशियंस विल हैव लॉबस्टर्स एंड अदर सी aquatic arthropods. Okay, so that is why they form 80% of it. Understand or what? So that is what about it. Okay, we have studied 2 phylums today. Arthropods, they form 80% of the total animal kingdom. Okay, they have antennae to sense for the food around or the things around, and compound eyes make them things visible larger, okay, because of that compound structure in their eye structure. We are able to see clearly, okay. And then jointed legs, they are able to move faster, speedy, in the pairs of 3 or 4. And body is divided into 3 parts: thorax, head, and abdomen. See your thorax, head, and abdomen. They have 3 parts. They will have upper part as thorax, and abdomen as the lower part, and head. Okay, fine then. And the earlier one was annelids, segmented worms. Setae, they are having to locomote, and long cylindrical body, and they are found in soil and water. So that's it for today. I want you to again draw certain mind maps and post it. If possible, I will send some assignment which you'll receive. You can solve that also, or if in case you do not receive, then you're supposed to write it in your class notebook section, or make a mind map again of these 2 phylums and post it in the files with your file name. Okay children, so have a nice time ahead. Please keep learning. These are short phylums, and usually if you keep on studying properly, then you will not get confused later on, okay, altogether. So have a very nice day ahead. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.